Hi, my name is Aaron Preston. I'm a junior here at Baker. I transferred from a community college in California this past fall. Um, I would like to teach um, high school history is what I want to teach. I don't know why I forgot that, but I did. Anyway, so yeah, I'd like to teach high school history. I'm not sure what kind of history yet. Just kind of studying history right now. I enjoy running. I'm on the cross country and track team here, which is partly why I came here. I was recruited. Beyond that, I don't know. I like reading. I like writing, and I like studying history, and I like teaching. Although I haven't taught much yet, obviously. But yeah, that's me. Thanks for listening. Okay, bye.